Hey guys, today I'm excited to show you the incredibly useful FlekStore, the awesome iOS software that allows you to download unlimited, modified, and improved apps on your phone. Get the social media apps without the ads, download games that would normally cost you money on the App Store, and even try out game console emulators so you can play all your favorite video games straight from your phone. With these incredible benefits, FlekStore will make downloading the best programs to your phone so much easier and efficient. Explore the many features of FlekStore in this sponsored video and discover how you can completely revolutionize the way you download apps to your phone. You can download FlekStore today using the link on the screen or in the description. Start off by opening the FlekStore webpage in Safari on your phone and clicking the Share button at the bottom of the screen. Once you've done that, choose the Add to Home Screen option to install the FlekStore app icon on your phone's home screen. When the FlekStore icon is added, open the app and go to the Settings tab, and all you have to do is just hit that Add Device. Select Allow when the notifications pop up, then go to your phone's Setting app, where you'll see a tab that reads Profile Downloaded. Once you select the tab and hit Install, the FlekStore app will fully begin to download on your phone. To begin downloading apps, you'll need to pay a small fee of $20.99 per year. Once the fee is paid, you can begin browsing the FlekStore expansive collection of apps. FlekStore also has video tutorials of its download process, which you can watch again if you're even confused. Easy to download and 100% secure, FlekStore provides users with an incredible library of awesome apps that you can download wherever you like. Once your account is fully activated, start exploring the wide variety of games, emulators, and social media apps that FlekStore has to offer. Get improved versions of YouTube and Tumblr completely ad-free on your phone. You'll need to make sure that the original apps are deleted before you can get these modified versions, but you also can get free copies of popular games like Geometry Dash and Minecraft, which would normally cost money on the Apple Store. FlekStore even offers game console emulators for systems like the PS2 and Nintendo DS, so you can play all your favorite nostalgic games straight from your phone simply by downloading the ROMs to your device. With so many options, FlekStore has something for everyone and is bound to make your app searching needs so much easier. Find all the games and other apps you're looking for in one easy-to-access location. With this unique program, you can download an unlimited amount of emulators, free games, and enhanced iOS apps straight to your phone. No matter what type of app you're looking for, FlekStore is a great tool to get the best deals on all your favorite programs. Be sure not to miss out on this amazing software and download FlekStore today using the link on the screen or in the description. Enjoy!